Let me ask you a question. Are you getting the sales results, the business growth that you need now? In the midst of what's happening with COVID-19, do you have challenges on what you're doing? I'm talking to you if you're a business owner, entrepreneur, new salesperson, great salesperson. Our clients have concerns with the following things. I'm not getting results. It's not bad, but it's not good. I'm overwhelmed. Things are chaotic. Things feel out of control at times. What they want is clarity, confidence, and certainty. I can provide you with very practical, customized solutions that will allow you to get new clients, new sales, and hit your revenue goals. Join me. I've got a webinar coming up shortly that will give you exactly what you need, best practices to grow, and practical ideas that you can hit and use today. Okay? The next is a clarity call. Let's get on the phone for 30 minutes. No sales. Let me ask you questions and give you customized solutions. If these are things that are interesting to you, hit the link below. Let's connect.